Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Microsoft too many requests error in your browser if you're using Chrome or any other browser. So the process is pretty same. Just click on these three lines on the right side and go inside the settings of your browser. And once you're inside the settings, you just need to go on to this third option, which is called privacy and security. Once you're inside the privacy and security, make sure to click on delete browsing data and click all time from here, and make sure to select your cookies and other site data as well and the cache as well. Delete all those data. Once you do that, the next thing that you need to do is just go inside the third party cookies. This is the option. Just click on it and you will see this option: allow third party, block and see all site data and permission. Just choose this one, and once you are here, make sure to search everything related to Microsoft. Just search Microsoft. As you can see, some of the services related to Microsoft will appear here, so make sure to delete them as well. Once you delete them, you can also search Outlook or all the related services related to the Microsoft. So make sure to search those as well. And in case you see them, make sure to delete those as well. Once you delete them, make sure to just restart your browser. And once you restart your browser, after that, hopefully all your problems will be fixed. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do that.